What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from Canva. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Canva. After typing Canva, click on the first official website of Canva and you will be redirected to this home page dashboard of Canva. But if you are new to Canva, you will have the option of signing in. Just sign in with your email and then you will be welcome to Canva. Now, after coming to the home page, click on this video section and then in the video section, you have a bunch of pre-uploaded or you can say pre-built video templates. But if you want to create your own, you can choose from these options like landscape video, mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube, YouTube ad, video collage, LinkedIn video ad, Pinterest, video message, and slideshow. I'll just simply click on mobile video and now coming here you can enter this pre-built or you can say pre-uploaded videos from here and just upload it anywhere you want. So for example, I want this one, so I'll just click on this video and you can see this is the video, and on the right side click on share and then you can see the option of download. Just simply download the MP4 version. Do remember guys, MP4 version would be the best suitable for YouTube Shorts. And now just you can just even change the quality, and after just downloading, click on download and it will download your MP4 video for your YouTube Shorts. So as you see, I have downloaded my video and I'll just give it a title YouTube video and I'll click on save. So it will save it as the YouTube video. Now open YouTube and after coming here, click on your profile icon and then go to YouTube Studio. Now after coming here on your left side, click on content. And from here, you can just simply click on upload videos. Now click on select files and then you can just select your files from here. So as you can see, this is my YouTube video. I'll just simply click on open. And as you can see, here is my video and here I have to give a title. I have given this a demo title. You can give the title as per your needs and then you can even add your description as per your needs. Now after that click on next and you can add the video elements. You can check everything that if it's made for kids or not, and then you can check the visibility of your video, and when everything is finished you will see the option of next or finish. Then video will be finally uploaded on YouTube. So that is how you can upload your video. Canva guys. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching.